All in favor say aye.
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 Those opposed, it was unanimous.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. But you do understand that if you get something done in the next, because you really got more than a year from what staff is saying. Thank you.
Let's do the minutes.
Yeah. Barbara, we've started and stopped about 4 times, and then we thought we had 4, but anyway, would you, I need a motion to approve the summary of the January minutes. Thank you. And seconded. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed.
And I abstain because I was not at the
And
January meeting.
gathered abstained. All right. What do you want to go to? Color Goldfields? And what number is that in our tab? Oh, I guess you.
Ready to go?
We're ready. It's formal public hearing. All those wishing to testify, please stand and raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth in the matter before this board. I had one staff member that didn't get his hand up very high, but I guess with his shoulder broke off, I will let him. We'll give you a pass today.
My name is Jeff Hewitt. I'm an attorney for the division. This is essentially just a presentation of a joint stipulation that the division has worked out with Colorado Goldfields regarding a hearing that we had back in December regarding an amendment application and then a financial warranty increase submittal. So I know we did get the stip out a bit late. It didn't make your original board packet. I hope you guys did get an emailed version of it. So I don't know, before I jump into just kind of a full-out summary of what happened, would you like me to summarize, or is there any discussion you'd like?
Summarize.
Okay. Briefly, again, it's back in December at the board order. The board did hear a hearing on the amendment application for Pride of the West Mill site. The tail end of that order, the division requested that a $196,476 bond increase was essentially reordered by the board, due by the operator within 30 days of the effective date of that order. The effective date for submittal of that bond is actually today, the end of today. I was later contacted by Mike Hagerty, who represents Colorado Goldfields. We were involved in some discussions on some alternate plans on submitting the financial warranty. As the stipulation outlines, it's going to be paid in 4 equal installments starting in March, ending in June. And that will bring it up to the total of $196,476 is the increase for a total bond of $515,130. So essentially, that is what the stip was regarding. It was just tied to the financial warranty to make sure that this site is properly bonded according to the most recent division bond calculation. So. I'll let Mike kind of pad this if anything else needed, or field any questions that the division does, or the board has on this stipulation. Again, it would just be a minor amendment of the last full sentence of the order of signed December 30th. So it's something that we would submit if the board would like. We'd submit a draft order with this added back in, amending the due dates.
Has nothing to do with the amendment at all. Only for financial warranty.
Correct. This is just regarding the financial warranty.
Is this a normal thing that we allow payments?
Well, I don't know if it's normal. I don't know if the division has ever entered an agreement for installment payments. I'll let the division address that if they would like to. I think the way that it is constructed, obviously it's something the division agreed with because we're presenting it to the board. But yeah, I don't know if installment payments is something that the division has done in the past.
Because I don't see any problem with nothing happening on the ground.
Correct.
Good. Questions? Okay, do we need to, I mean, you've already signed the joint step, I don't know.
It's just being presented to you as an agreement by the board. So this is not part of the board. Mr. Fugate has indicated that he has a proposed amendment to the order.
Right. Essentially, what we're asking, because the in December the board ordered that the full $196,000 is due, we're now asking that the board go back and amend that order as it relates to the financial warranty. So we'll submit a new form for signature. But yeah, it does require a board approval because you're now modifying or amending an already signed and effective board order.
Okay, board.
I would move then that we approve the stipulated agreement to modify or amend the board ordered deadline for submittal of financial warranty increase to allow for installment payments as stated here in the joint stipulation document.
A second.
Been moved and seconded to amend their board order to allow for payments on the bond to get it up to the $515,130 as presented. Any more discussion? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Those opposed? It was unanimous.
Mr. Fugate, do you have that order electronically?
I don't have it right now.
No, not obviously not now, but if I could get that electronically, it would expedite movement.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enforcement hearing, McCarty excavating file M 2009-052. All those wishing to testify, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth in the matter before this board. I
This is a hearing for the McCarty home site, operator McCarty excavation, file number M2009